Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to hide your followers on your Instagram account on your iPhone. And now let's dive right in. Now to hide your followers on your Instagram account on your iPhone, first open up your Instagram app. And after opening your Instagram app, guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see the person or the profile icon. Tap over there and you'll be here on the profile section of your account, where at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three lined icon available for us. Tap on that three lined icon and tap on settings and privacy. And after that, guys, on the settings and privacy of your Instagram account, scroll down until you can find the account privacy option available for us under the category who can see your account. Tap on account privacy, and over here, guys, you can see the private account option available for us and the toggle icon at the right side. And now to hide your followers on an Instagram account, you'll be required to make your account private. To do that, guys, tap on the toggle icon over here. And if you're getting the same message, guys, go and turn off the business mode on your account and then come back to over here where you will be able to hide your account. But guys, for a regular account or a personal account, for many of you, the moment you tap on this toggle icon and it turns blue, your followers will be hidden and your account will be private. And there, guys, this is how you hide your followers on an Instagram account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.